welcome back to the Best Buddies YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making strawberry jello, and for this jello we have the jello powder from the packet, 500 ml water. I'm using an ice cube tray, but you can use any tray, a ball and 2 spoons. So let's get started. So guys, we're going to be adding 500 ml water to the bowl, and we're going to be boiling it for about 10 minutes or so. I'll keep timer. So let's go. The water is boiling now. Now we should turn the stove off and leave it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now we're going to pour the strawberry powder into the boiling water. Now it's changing color to dark red. Now we're going to mix it for some time. So now I'm going to pour this into the ice cube tray, and I'm going to show it to you after I have finished pouring it into all of the cubes. So we've got a bit of extra water here, so we're going to put it in a bowl and leave it for about 45 minutes, and it'll turn into a jelly. And this is the final result of the jelly, and it tastes amazing. You should try it at home. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.